Hey guys, so today we're doing a barbecue for some friends of my sister and me. And look how vegetarian we are. Look, this is aubergine and this is just some pepper and salt, but you need to like put it on early to let it like make it go in good. And here we have like olive oil and rosemary, and this is like paprika powder and a little bit of curry, but I also have some paprika left here to put something on. We're gonna make some mushrooms with garlic butter. It'll be super nice. Oh my god, wow, I really love barbecue. Ooh. Hey guys, oh my god, we're so fun after the barbecue. We're playing Codenames. Now we're looking for the word hoofd, which means head in English, and then mouth. There we're looking for house, so probably it's gonna be hoofd or head, and maybe
or pet.
And I'm also thinking pipe, because pipe. There's nothing different I can choose. Can you help me? What word do you think that is?
Dora.
Sweeper, don't steal. No, it's gonna be pipe. I feel it. It must be pipe. Oh, we will win. We will win. I knew. Bam. Thank you. Oh my god, guys, look at me. We won. Wow. All right.
We won like we with the blue.